Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. With this video, I'm going to show you how to create this edit. Now let's get started. First, we need to create this background. I will use PixArt to do that. You can use whatever drawing app that you have. Click on the plus icon. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Then you will select a background that will be on the bottom right corner. You can select the color here or click on color picker to select a color that you want to use. Then click on tools, crop, click on 16:9, click on the rotate icon, click on apply. Then go to draw. Then click on the layer icon. Make sure you are on an empty layer. I'm going to use a reference picture. You can skip this step, or you can screenshot any of this template to use. Depends on how many you want to create. In this case, I'm going to use the one with 7. Then zoom in to fill the screen. Then click on the layer icon again. You want to click on the plus icon to add another layer. Now we are ready to draw the other color part. You want to click on color to select the color that you want to use. Then click on shape. Click on the first one. Make sure it's fill. Then draw a rectangle. And you can adjust it to align it with the reference template. You can also do it however you like the size to be. Then click on the layer icon again. Click on the plus icon to add another layer. Then go back to the previous one and check the eye icon, so this way it would not show. Then you just repeat the process to create other layer. Select the color, click on shade and draw a rectangle. Align with the reference template. Then click on the plus icon to create another one. Select the color. Uncheck the previous one. Click on the shape. And then draw another one. Go back to layer. If you have 5 layers already, if you click on the plus icon, it will say you have reached the limit of maximum layers. So what you can do is to click on this icon here, then click on merge, and then click on merge again to merge it with the previous one. Then you just repeat the process of creating a new layer. Click on the check icon here to go back. Select a color, create a rectangle, align it with the reference, new layer, uncheck the previous one, merge it with the other one, then create the last one. If you're done, you can uncheck the eye icon on the template one and then turn on the eye icon for the other one. Then you can click on this icon here to save the picture. Then we can start creating the edit in CapCut. Now let's make the edit. Click on new project after you open CapCut. Then go to photos. I have put all the photos in the same folder, so it's easier for me to find. So for the first picture, you want to select the first person that will show up. Then for the next 4 pictures, it will also be pictures of the first person. Then 4 pictures of the second person, third person, till you get to the 7th person. The last picture will be a group picture. Please keep in mind this edit is for 7 people. That's why I have 4 pictures of each person. But if you are making edit for like 4 people, then you might want to use 8 pictures of each person. It really depends on how many people you have. Then you want to make sure to have the format in 9:16. So click on format, 9:16. I also like to have all my picture the same ratio, 9:16. So if it's not, then you can click on the picture, click on edit, crop, 9:16. Then go back to the first one, click on canvas, background, and then click on the picture icon, select the background that we created earlier. Then click on apply to all. Now click on the character again. We can use the remove background to remove the background. Please keep in mind this function does not work well for animated character. So if you want to remove background for animated character, you can use remove.bg or PixArt. You can check out my last video for more details on how to do that. Then resize the person to the first color background. Now we are ready to add in the music audio. Make sure you go to the beginning of the video. Click on audio, extract, and then select the video that has the music. If you did a screen recording of the music, make sure you trim out the part that you don't need. Then click on the audio, click on match cut. As some of you might already know that CapCut has added in the auto generate function. When you click on it, it will generate bits for you. So this is what bit 2 looks like, and this is what bit 1 looks like, which is a little bit further away. But in this case, we are using bit 2. Now we are going to edit the picture to match the bit. So for the first one, we are going to go to the 7th bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then click on the picture. You can trim the picture by dragging the end part there. So that's one way on how you can do it. Then go to the next picture. You can do the same thing, just drag the end part to there. Then go to the next bit for the next picture. You can also click on split and then delete the part that you don't need instead of dragging it. So you just repeat the process for the rest of the pictures except the group picture. Align with the bit, delete the part that you don't need. Then for the last group picture, you align with the end of the audio. Now we are going to add animation to the pictures. So click on it, click on animation. For this one, I'm going to use in shape 1, maximum duration. And you just add animation to the rest of the pictures using shape 1. But you can also try all the animations, see which one you like. You don't have to stick with this one. You can be creative with which one you like. For the last one, I'm going to use a combo animation. I'm going to use left zoom. Now we are going to adjust the pictures. So for the first 4 pictures of the person, you're going to adjust it to the color part. And then for the next 4 pictures, you will adjust it in the second color. So pretty much you just repeat this process with the rest of the pictures. For the last one, you just leave it full size. Now we are ready to add in other individual. So go to the first bead, click on overlay, add overlay. Now we are going to add in the second person. Adjust it to the second part. You want to align this one to the end of the first person's picture. So pretty much you would have the person ends at when it shows up. And then for the next one, you go to the second bead, click on overlay to add in the third person. And then align it with the end of the second person's pictures. And go to the next bead. So pretty much you just repeat this process till you get to the last person. Now we are going to add the same animation to it. So click on it, animation in, shape 1, duration will be 2.8 seconds to match the first one. So you would have the same animation for the overlay. With 2.8 duration. The next part is optional, which is to add in the text. So you can click on text, add text, and add in the name. You can adjust the style to what you like and change the color. You can also use different effect if you want. And then click on it. Click on animation. For this one, I'm going to select slide right. Duration would be about 0.4 seconds. Then I'm just going to copy this one 6 times. Then go to the next bead. Align the second text with it. Click on it to change the name. Go to the next bead. Move the third text. Align with it. Change the name. So pretty much you just repeat this process till you get to the last person. Now you want to adjust the text to match the person. So for the first one, you would match with the first picture. Then for the second text, you would match to the end of the first person show up. So pretty much it's just like the overlay. So for the picture, the first one is about 2.8 seconds. For the overlay, it would be 4 seconds for the first one, 5.2 seconds, 6.4 seconds, 7.6 seconds, 8.8 seconds, and then 10 seconds. For the individual picture, they are all about 0.4 seconds. For the last one is about 1.8 seconds. Then you can add effects to it if you like. I like to add effect to the last one, so click on effects. Select whatever effect you like. Make sure it aligns with the pictures. Then export it. I like to add effect to the overall video, so I'm going to click on new project to open the video again. Then click on effects. Select any effect that you like. I'm using the one on the left, heart bubbles. Make sure adjust it with the whole video. So this is how it would turn out. So that's how you can create this edit. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you would like to see more CapCut related content, please consider like and subscribe. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you next time.